So if you're a Proton Visionary subscriber, you might have noticed that Proton has a new card up its sleeve. When I was checking my email this past weekend, I actually went to Proton Mail and saw a new product that they have here, Proton Meet. So let's check it out, what it looks like and how it works. So here I am in my email. Let's click our little grid menu over here and click Meet. All right, so Meet opens up and let's see what it looks like here. We have schedule a meeting, plan meetings, and send invites with Proton Calendar. Okay, I'm guessing after the big backlash that Proton had of scheduling calendar meetings with Zoom link, people are like, what, Zoom, out of all the places, Zoom? I think good move, Proton, by actually getting your own Meet product in the game so that we don't have to use the non-private Zoom. Anyway, this is a great idea. Personal meeting link, an always available meeting room for people you trust, and start secure meeting. Start a call immediately and then share the link with others. I guess this one is the one that I'm going to go with. Let's select my mic, MacBook external microphone. Okay, and for camera, I'll do the Logitech. Okay, great, so that's my name. Let's start the meeting. And let's see, I guess it's doing some encrypting good stuff. All right, your meeting is ready. Share the link. Okay, great. So I'm gonna copy this link and send it to my friend. While we wait for him, I guess we got our very cool looking interface. If you are aware of the new interface on Mac OS Tahoe, it has all these curvy edges, and it looks like Proton has done a very good job being on par with the modern design, I guess with Apple at least. Not that it has to be that way or not, but still it's pleasing to go in between platforms and see a consistency of this kind of stuff. All right, we can always select our cameras, our outputs, inputs. We can see what kind of participants are available. One thing I guess I've noticed today, you can disable a video of a participant or you can mute them. That's not something from my awareness that Brave Talk or Google Meet has, and that's really cool that you can do that. Or you can kick somebody out, which is amazing, having the opportunity to kick somebody out. I don't think you can do that with Meet either. So let's see, what other options we have here? We have the chat option, of course. How can you have a great meeting app without having a chat with it? This is amazing. It looks great. The color of this looks great too. I just love how it's all dark and it's not, you know, bombarding your eyes. We have some settings, which are not that much, but I guess, you know, if you're trying to save some data on a phone, this is a great way to just save and all that transfer data. And then the info obviously gives you the link that you can click and copy once again. So with that said, I'm actually gonna zoom back out so we can see the user interface and more of the screen space, real estate, and I'm waiting up on my homie. I'm not sure if my friend needs a Proton account or not. So what I will do is I will open up this meeting link in another private window to see if that even works. I'm going to share this private Proton Meet window, give the permissions, and it looks like I'm able to join even though I'm in this private instance of this browser. I'm not logged into Proton. So meeting ID, anonymous, boson, I guess I can always change that. Join meeting. Does the second instance of me get joined? Negotiating. New MLS key. Hey. Yeah, we're in it. That's two of me. Okay, cool. So, knowing that that works, I'm just waiting for my homie to sign on. Cameron! Bro, you are on mute, but I think I can unmute you. Hold on. I'm very curious how to do that.
Yeah, I can
mute you, and then I can also unmute you. Dude, this is my friend Cameron. I mean, we've done work for years. I'm talking
are
about
are we live?
We had the gray beard on our what are these things called in English? Chins. I still have ESL issues. We've done work even before that. Cameron is a great graffiti artist, muralist. He's also an entrepreneur, great father, husband. counselor, teacher, breakdancer, musician, bro, like the list goes on. I'm very humbled to be in your presence. Cameron, this is
Yeah.
twofold. We're gonna have our meeting, but this is Proton has a new talk app. It hasn't been released yet, but because I'm a visionary user, I just want to test it out. Brand new with people that I've never been on it. What's your first impression of Proton Talk?
Well, it looks fantastic. You look amazing.
Yeah, dude, the picture looks great on it, huh?
Yeah, it's super clear.
On your end, does the screen share work pretty good?
Oh, it looks great.
I think it's very
Yeah.
clear. It doesn't lag.
Super clear. Yeah.
Yeah.
I like all the icons at the bottom too.
I know we're using the Google. My whole channel is about DeGoogling, but this is a Google product. What is it? Business is business. It's not up to me. And you're the boss. And I like that little border that goes across the person's frame they're speaking.
Yeah, it's sleek. I like it. Looks good. The platform is super nice.
Yeah, and the beauty thing about that is encrypted, secure. Big data is not gathering information on who you talk to, with, and about.
Oh, that's nice.
Well, cool, dude. I love the platform. This is just an opening introduction of what it looks like. Anyway, that's that. Take care. See you later. Cameron, let's get to the meeting.
All right, sounds good.
Now, quick thing for people who want to sign on to a Proton account, I could totally hyperlink the invite link where you can get a discount. Companies that I use myself, I'm happily supporting them, right? And when
Yeah.
Proton got access of saw my videos, they're like, hey, you're talking about us anyway. Here, make some pennies on the side. I'm like, sure. So anyway,
cool.
if you want to check it out, the link will be below.